Today for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto prices. What happened in the last few hours will go down in history books as one of the most important days of this cycle. I will talk about Bitcoin, I will talk about Ethereum, I will talk about the altcoin cryptocurrency space. What is happening right now, what I am personally expecting to be happening within the next few days in the immediate short term. I will talk about my multi-million US dollar trade on Bitcoin Ethereum, right now raking in almost $3 million US dollars in a profit. I'm gonna show it to you and I will tell you exactly what I'm expecting price-wise and what I would be doing right now if I would be standing on the sidelines. Everything, my full game plan laid out for you in that video. I didn't upload a video in 9 days because there was just nothing to talk about. Now is the time. Now we have to be vigilant. And now I want to urge you to not only like that video, but to share this video with your friends. Please, guys, this video has to be carried out into the world. Because of you, we are and sometimes one of the most watched Bitcoin only videos on the whole YouTube internet. And that is because of you, because of your mind-blowing support. Let's talk about Bitcoin. And you know what? Let's immediately start with my trades here because people are asking me left and right, Chris, what are you doing with them? Well, let me show you. Let me show you exactly. Bitcoin trade open, Ethereum trade open. The Bitcoin trade right now raking in 2.55 million US dollars in a profit, and the Ethereum trade 270,000 US dollars in a profit. Overall, approximately 2.8 million US dollars. And you're saying, Chris, you didn't close them yet? Why? Well, let me talk about it. And if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, you know what? Let me start with Ethereum because Ethereum was not that relevant until today. Today, Ethereum got relevant again for Bitcoin, for crypto, not only for Ethereum itself. Because what 32,000 US dollars was for Bitcoin, 2,100 US dollars is for Ethereum. I talked about it for a long time. The moment we break 2,100 US dollars on the weekly for Ethereum, and this weekly candle is going to close in 13 hours, we need to close, we need the follow through. And if this is happening, we confirmed officially the break of this long 3-year resistance for Ethereum, confirming the potential price target of 3,800 US dollars to come. This is, dear ladies and gentlemen, what we will be talking about. The last confirmation has not been signaled yet. We need the weekly close. We have volume support. We need 1 week follow through and a break above the previous rejection point. If we are getting this 3,800 US dollars, it is. That is what I wanted to talk about, at least in terms of Ethereum. And as you remember, when Ethereum breaks this key resistance, that is the moment Ethereum becomes a leading indicator for Bitcoin, as well as Bitcoin was a leading indicator for Ethereum so far. These things will flip. And that is why I actually switched some of my Bitcoin into Ethereum. And you can see here, Bitcoin also broke resistance now, hitting 40,000, the price level I was waiting for. I actually thought we will hit it a little bit faster. I thought we will hit it within like 2 weeks or so. It took like 3-4 weeks, but whatever, we hit it. Now the question is, what is the next price target? Well, I talked about it for quite some time, and I personally still think that the best case scenario before the halving, the most likely best case scenario before the halving would be the Fibonacci golden pocket. Something between 48,000 and 50,000 US dollars. This is what I'm expecting for Bitcoin as the best case scenario before the halving. That doesn't mean that we are going to hit 48,000 tomorrow. It doesn't mean we are going to get a rejection and then going to hit it. Like all of these things is like a little bit, like we have to wait for the price to tell us what to do. What I'm telling you is 40,000 was very well to be expected. And when we hit 48,000, I will say the exact same thing. Much higher than that, I don't see that necessarily coming. But 48,000, a very possible price target. So this is what I am looking out for at the moment. And yes, I am staying in my trades for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. However, at latest, when we hit 48,000, I am going to take chips from the table on both of these trades, especially on the Ethereum trade, which is on a very, very high leverage. As long as this is not happening, I am staying in this trade because it's a position trade. And the trend is my friend until the very end. And I am still very, very bullish on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. Of course, if you want to be trading any of these ones as well, Bitcoin, Ethereum, on Bybit and BitGet, I have put together a $60,000 free bonus link for you. If you go down to the pinned comment, click register deposit. Takes like 45 seconds or something to register deposit and claim this up to $60,000 free bonus in the pinned comment down below. Now I want to know from you. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum? I think the Ethereum break of 2100, once we confirm it, will be a very bullish thing for Bitcoin as well as a leading indicator to come. Bullish on Ethereum, bullish on Bitcoin, not necessarily in the immediate short term. And also what you have to remember is this break was beautiful. We just saw on the last night, but it's Sunday. Always forget, if the institutions are standing on the sidelines because of a weekend pump, we should not be all too surprised about some retracement in the week to follow. That's all I'm saying. It's not necessarily the time to open a 100x leverage trade, that's for sure. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.